Hello everybody, Terry the Travel Guy here at Evermore Resorts Orlando, and we are taking a look at one of their largest house, which is absolutely amazing. You're going to really love this. It's fantastic. So stand by for this tour. It's a long one. Come inside the front door. Now most people will enter through the back, through the pool area, but we'll take a look at that later. You have your stairs going up. Let's widen that view here for us. There we go. That is so much better. All right, you come in your entryway, you've got your stairs going up to levels 2 and 3. That's right, this is a 3-level home. Absolutely fantastic, truly gorgeous. Close the door. And we'll take you on a tour. As you enter the front door, off here on the left is a little half bath powder room. But look at this great room. This is unbelievable. You'll notice the massive amount of seating, those tables and the couches. Evermore firmly believes that for every pillow on a bed, there should be a seat at the table. We all want to eat together when we're on these big vacations with family and friends, conventions. You know, why should somebody be sitting on a couch with a plate in their lap? Plenty of seating for everybody. You have the back door there that goes out to the pool area. You say we'll take a look at that later on. Start off with the kitchen here. If you've watched the 5-bedroom tour, you'll notice a little bit of a size difference. You got your microwave down below, 2 dishwashers because hey, this place can sleep 32. That's right, 32 people. You're going to need both dishwashers going if you're cooking meals here. They also have 2 fridges. Nice storage area. You can put, you've got all your towels in there. You can put some of your extra sundries, but there's a lot of cupboard space here. You know, perfect for a vacation. And then your main level living room. Beautiful TV. And we're going to start off over here with bedroom number 1. This is a master bedroom. Beautiful size, looks right out onto the patio and the barbecue area. Closet with the perfect amount of space for a vacation. You know, again, these homes are purpose-built for vacation homes, not for living in. So some things are a little bit smaller, but that gives you the extra living area. You got huge shower. This is pretty consistent throughout the whole house. And you've got your water closet back there. Now we're going to go and take a look at master bedroom number 2 on the main floor. I just can't get over this great room. It's amazing. But there's more amazement to come, so keep watching. Master bedroom number 2. Again, plenty of light, so much space in here. Closet, a washroom, double sink, soaker tub, huge shower, just like the other, and the water closet back through there. Each of the closets also does have a safe in there to store any of your valuables. And did we take a look? We haven't taken a look back here yet. Bedroom number 3 on the main floor, along with your laundry. Now they don't call this one a master just because it doesn't have the 4 posters, but it's still master size. I mean, I would kill for a bedroom this size back home. Closet, and your washroom. Great. Those showers are just amazing. If you watch some of my other videos on hotel rooms and stuff, I'm a little picky about shower space. You know, I'm of the opinion that things should be better than you have at home when you're on vacation. Evermore Resorts Orlando certainly lives up to that. And here we go upstairs to the 2nd level. Now these lights in the stairs do automatically come on. There are sensors. As we come up here, if you keep around to the right, there's the stairs going up to the 3rd level. But yes, this 2nd level here is where the slide from the 3rd level comes out. That's right, there's a slide in this house. This is another huge living space for people. So even though you're vacationing together, you don't always have to be together. And that's important. Everybody sometimes needs a break. So this is bedroom number 4. And the size of this room, like 2 queen size beds. I've been in places where they would put in a 3rd in there, just squeeze that space out. But no, here at Evermore, they really look at giving you that extra space. You want to be comfortable. You want to have room. We have the double sink. Again, a nice big shower. And your water closet through there. So this is bedroom number 4. We're going to keep to the left. Keep to the left. One of the tricks you learn at Disney World, keep to the left. All the crowds go right. Bedroom number 5. This would be considered a master because of the 4 posts. Bed. I mean, they're all masters. I mean, my favorite rooms you're going to see up on the 3rd floor. Those will take the cake. You'll love those. Double sink, soaker tub, shower, and water closet. Again, all the masters, what's considered a masters is it's not just the 4 poster bed, but it's having that soaker tub. Got a ping pong table, an actual lot of space around it to use it. Some vacation homes squeeze those things in there so that there's no actual space to swing your racket, but not here. I see we were at bedroom number 5. This is bedroom number 6. Another master. 4 poster bed. Wonderful lighting. soaker tub, shower, double sink, water closet, and your closet. Again, these closets right in here, I've got the safe. I'm starting to lose track. Bedroom number 6. Standard bedroom. Standard bedroom. Walk-in closet with all the space you need while you're on vacation. And your ensuite. Shower, toilet, sink. Somewhere along the way, I hope I'm not losing track of the rooms. We had 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Just backing up here. Yeah, that was 7. Coming up on bedroom number 8. This is a standard bedroom. Got your bed. Your single sink, your shower, toilet, and closet. Hope you're counting with me, because I've lost count. We have another bedroom. We have a closet right off the entry. This one is two queen size beds. Washroom, 2 sinks. Notice the extra counter space. I really like that. Shower and your toilet. All right, now we're going to move up to level number 3. There's so much space in here. I was giggling when I walked through here. It's just absolutely wonderful. Again, you got those lights that automatically come on, which is great for night. Then you've got your games room up here. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that couch. That's just perfect for gaming. I'm going to take a little tour here first. Got a nice table there to do crafts on, do some drawing, maybe some homework the kids have got to do while you've pulled them out of school, right? Maybe they're planning their next itinerary for Universal or Disney World. Got arcade games, huge TVs. Again, you can plug in your Xbox, your PlayStation, Nintendo, whatever you got there into the bottom. You can also rent them. They're available for rent here at Evermore. So you don't have to lug them all the way here. And now here are my 2 favorite rooms. I would have loved these as a kid. Heck, I'd have loved this setup as an adult on some of my past work trips. You've got plenty of closet space here, hanging space for everybody. Got bunk beds up there. They're really a good size. Each has their own personal light. You got your 3 faucet sink. I love that feature. That's awesome. And shower. And on the other side is your water closet. Just phenomenal. And on the other side, you have your other bunk bedroom. And 4 bunks in here. Lights up there for everybody. The steps up, they're sturdy enough for adults to sleep on, no problem. Plenty of closet. And again, we've got that triple faucet sink. And the shower. And water closet right there. Now, you may be asking, Terry, what's that? Well, that's your slide. That goes down to the 2nd floor. So, you know, just open that up and down you go. No, I'm not going to give you a ride. Love the arcade games. So that, ladies and gentlemen, is a tour of Evermore's 11-bedroom home, if I counted right, with a slide games room. We'll do the outside here next shortly. Thank you. As promised, here is the outside of the 11-bedroom home. This is the pool, barbecue, lounging area outside. It is gorgeous. You're going to really like this. You come in the back gate where the parking is. You come in, off to your left is your hammock area. You've got dining area, lounging area, covered deck, that's really nice. You got your loungers, shade, and of course you've got your saltwater pool. Isn't that just gorgeous? There's real nice sound there too. Barbecue area is very nice. Just what you need. Got your outdoor shower right here. Wash off after your saltwater pool. Great sitting area. Your swing chair. Your swing bed, your hammock there. A phenomenal outside dining area. Great prep area there too. You can just lay all your food out there. And one of the features that I really, really love about this home, you've got your outdoor washroom. Perfect, because you don't want to be trucking all that wet through the house if you don't have to. You want to make it minimal. It's a minimal walk in the 5-bedroom homes as we saw, but in this home here, it's right there. Really handy. Jump in the pool, have a swim, lay in the sun, your washroom's right there. Continue on with your day. All right, this is the outside of Evermore Resort Orlando's 11-bedroom home. I'm Terry the Travel Guy. Call me if you'd like to rent this home for your next Orlando vacation.